We're back with Teasers Dog Picks of the Week presented by Underdog Fantasy. And it's week 4, Thursday Night Football, Cardinals versus Seattle Seahawks. And I have a new dog today, but old tricks. So we're starting with the higher, lower, Kyler Murray passing yards. Allie, you ready? Higher, Sam Darnold passing yards. Ready? And the second part of our lineup is lower Sam Darnold passing yards. To recap, we have Murray's higher passing yards, Darnold's lower passing yards. Make sure to put in this play for tonight's Cardinals Seahawks games using the promo code Teasers.